Hello everyone, so welcome to my YouTube channel again, and please subscribe who didn't do this. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and please subscribe my channel also. So dear, today our topic is what how the STP protocol can be possible in two switches. Like we have only two switches, switch one and switch two. Is it possible to be a loop formation in between the two switch also? Yes, this could be possible. So how could this be possible, dear? Let us assume we have connected multiple links through the switch. Okay. Now let us observe a scenario when the STP protocol is working. When the STP protocol works, it will avoid the loop formation. How it will avoid the loop formation? That when the ARP request will be forwarded to the switch 2, right? Then ARP request will be broadcasted again on the other link. But STP will block this link automatically. That is why the loop will not be formed. The packet will be forwarded to another switch but will not be returned to the source again. Why? Because the STP protocol is blocking the forwarding of that packet, the ARP packet. The broadcast will not be forwarded. Now, if there will be no STP protocol, then what will be happen? If we disable the STP protocol, then their loop will be formed 100%, because all the links will be open now, all the interfaces will be 100% working. Now let us assume a broadcast generated from this switch will be forwarded to another switch. Now this switch will again forward this broadcast into the same network again. Then this broadcast will be forwarded to the source again, and source will again forward this again. Then the a continuous link will be formed in between these two switches. Let's observe this practically in between two switches. Okay. Now I have connected two switches here. Here, the protocol will be forwarded and we'll see what are the effect. But currently, the STP protocol is working, and STP protocol automatically turned off one link. Okay, automatically disabled one interface. Now, what I will do, I will go to these two switches. Okay, through the console, I will disable the STP protocol and then observe what will happen, right? So I will click on switch to go to console port, enable configuring terminal. Okay, so no spanning tree, spanning tree VLAN1. By this command, the STP will be disabled here. From one switch we have already disabled the STP protocol. Now let's do the same on this switch also. Enable configuring terminal no spanning tree VLAN 1. Okay, whenever I will put enter, you can see all the links are properly in working condition. Okay, if I go to switch and put a command show spanning tree, it will give me an answer that no spanning tree exists. Okay, now let me try to forward a broadcast in between these two, the ARP message, and we'll observe will a, a loop will be formed in between these two or not. Okay, so dear all, this is my source. Let me generate a broadcast from this. Now we have two different path to forward data. This one is path 1 to forward data, and this one is path 2 to forward the data. But this switch will also broadcast to the source again. That is why loop will be formed. Let me provide an IP address to this PC 192.168.10.1. Okay, whenever I will provide an IP address to this PC, it will automatically generate a gracious ARP 192.168.10.1. You can see that the ARP packet will be generated. Now this packet will be forwarded to the switch, but switch will broadcast this packet into both the direction, right? So the packet has been forwarded. Now this packet will be again forwarded to the source back, right? How it will be done? Like this. You can see that they are continuously exchanging the same packet in between these two, because There will be number of broadcasts will be forwarded in between these two like this. That is why after some time this network will be shut down due to overload or load because of STP protocol. Let's see how it is happening. Okay, let me check. There you can see the ARP request is continuously forwarding in between these two switches and doesn't have any path, any way to get out from this network. So this is called loop formation in between two different switches. The condition is that the loop will only be formed if more than one link is connected and the STP is disabled. Then these kind of loops can be possible. So I hope you are enjoying the session. Have a nice day. Please subscribe, everyone.